Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
I've been really trying to hold back this beat for so long. And if you feel like
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how I play the chords to Let's Get It On by Marvin Gaye on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. So let's take a close-up look at the chords that we'll be playing. We'll start with an E flat chord here at fret 6 on the A string, barring the D, G, and B string at fret 8, playing it from the A string. That's E flat. We'll need to play a G minor 7 chord like that. Now that's how I play my G minor 7, the thumb over the top, playing that bass note and barring everything from the D string down, and I'm muting the A string. I'm muting the A string by having it sandwiched between those two fingers. Now as an alternative, you can use a G minor chord played this way, and that's with a finger on the D string, fret 5, barring everything at the 3rd fret. We'll need an A flat chord played this way. I've got my first finger on the B string and E string at fret 4, bringing in a finger to fret 5 on the G string and fret 6 on the D string. I'm going to move to a B flat by raising that by 2 frets. We'll be using those chords to play the verses and choruses. Here's how we'll play the verses and choruses. We'll play the E flat chord, go down to our G minor 7, A flat, and then B flat. And here's how I play them. Now for the bridge, we'll need an A flat 7 chord formed this way. I'm barring everything from the D string down at fret 4, bringing in my middle finger to fret 5 on the G string and playing that from the D string, like that. We'll also need an F7 chord formed this way. For that chord, I'm holding down the B string at fret 6, the D string at fret 7, the A string fret 8, and the G string at fret 8. And I'm after these strings. Now when I'm playing an F7 or a chord that I don't want to hear the high E string, sometimes I'll place my finger here against the string, and when I strum, I've got a finger parked against that string and using my pick, and you don't hear that string. Now if I have that finger off that string, you hear that. So I'm going to put my finger against that and pick like that, and you won't hear that unwanted note. Here's how we're going to play the bridge. We're going to go to our A flat 7, we'll go back to our regular groove. A flat 7. A flat 7 again. A flat 7, F7, and then B flat, 2, 3, 4, then back into our regular groove. Now sometimes when I'm playing that, I like to flavor it with an inversion on that E flat chord, like this. So instead of playing the E flat like that, I'm going to bar from the A string down at fret 8 and bring in the ring finger to fret 10 and hammer on like that. And then I'll go to my G minor 7. So I'll go. And what I'm doing in between is just kind of brushing the strings after I play a chord. So I'll go just like that. Then so I might do something like this. And that's just to add a little flavor to it. Well, alright, that's how I play the chords to Let's Get It On by Marvin Gaye. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.